What's up, everybody? Jack here, and today I'm going to show you how to send money into Nicaragua from the United States and a buttload of other countries as well. Like, look at all the countries that you can do this with. You might think that it is tricky to send money to a foreign country on the other side of the planet, but it's actually easier than placing an order on Amazon. Isn't that freaking crazy? Technology is amazing, right? Look at all these countries. Every country I've ever lived in is on this list. Sri Lanka, Nicaragua. It's awesome. South Africa. Crazy. So, all you need is your bank account information and your recipient's bank account information. That's the only information you need to be able to use this service, okay? And I'm going to talk about sending money to Nicaragua because that's what I use the service for. I have business stuff in the US, so I send it to Nicaragua because that's where I live. I live in Nicaragua, right? So, this is how much it costs to do that. Basically, you have two choices. You either fund it with a debit card, and it's like an hour typically, or you pay it with a bank account, and it takes a day or 2 or 3 days, depending, right? So that means that you either have a bank account to fund it or a card. So earlier I said you just needed your bank account information. That's if you want to be patient and take the cheaper option. But you could use a card and do it like in an hour, right? Then it costs $6 for the first $100 that you send for the express fee, which is the fastest way. So an hour later you have the money, or the recipient has the money. And that's 6%, so that's expensive. But then after that, every $100 is only 1%. So you pay less if you're sending more based on the amount of money you're sending, right? So if you send $2,000, you're not paying anywhere near close to 6%, right? Because 6% of $2,000 would be $120. So you're paying like a sixth of that. So it does get cheaper. If you're just sending a little bit of money, it's a bit expensive. Depends, right? For me, I mean, like, I save so much money by being in Nicaragua that all these fees, it's still better to be here. All right, guys, if you want to use Remitly, check out the link in the description. This is the service that I use. There's other ones available, but it's super simple. All you need is your information and payment information of the recipient. And in some cases, you don't even need their bank account information. All you need is their name. And you can just send it to a bank, and they got to go there, show their ID, and pick up the money. Super convenient. All right, guys. See you next time. Ciao.